We have a number of different imaging modes with SAR. Spot mode is the highest resolution mode, and in this mode, we vary our illumination angle a little bit to image a single area on the ground as we move along. And it's like I shined a spotlight at a single place on the ground. So in spot mode, we get a very long synthetic aperture over a small ground area. So imagine this. We have an antenna 3 meters long, but I'm moving along, sending all of these pulses, and I'm going to illuminate the ground for 10 seconds, even maybe 20 seconds. And that's going to produce for me a synthetic aperture that's over 100 kilometers long. So, using this tiny 3-meter antenna, I can create a synthetic antenna over 100 kilometers long. It's as if I have an antenna in space that long, and that's an astonishing capability, spot mode. The satellite travels at 7.5 kilometers per second in low Earth orbit. So if I image, and this can be done routinely for 10 seconds, I've moved 10 seconds, 7.5 kilometers per second, that's 75 kilometers. 20 seconds, 150 kilometer synthetic antenna. In strip mode, we send our image, our illumination, usually just broadside, and accumulate our image in this way, building it up, sending our pulses, not changing the illumination direction as we do in spot mode. This gives you a much larger image at reduced resolution, maybe 3-meter resolution instead of less than a meter in spotlight mode. So it's a fixed illumination angle, usually broadside, medium resolution, large, long strip. In scan mode, we get modest resolution, but very large, wide swaths. In this mode, we're going to change the incidence angle as we move along, and very quickly scan this way, move it a little bit that way, scan over this way, move it out that way. So by changing the incidence angle as we send our pulses to the ground and varying and sweeping the area on the ground a little bit, we get multiple overlapping strips in a single illumination. The cost of this is reduced azimuth resolution, but you get very, very wide areas and very long strips in scan mode.